Tworst Multiplayer Plumber Job. Featuring 5 unique and interactive plumbing missions. From pipe repairs to pressure control, every task is hands-on. Play solo or team up with friends in full multiplayer mode. Built to be fully optimized and perfectly synchronized. Tworst Multiplayer Plumber Job UI Trailer. From this section, you can see the information and requirements of the regions where you can work. You can invite your close friends from this section. From this section, you can get information about the job and start the job. In this section of our settings menu, you can view weekly missions and earn rewards for completing them. In this section, you can get information about the work you have done before. From this section, you can make job settings. You can switch the menu and job sounds on and off. You can set the language for the menu and work as desired. With UI Move, you can change the location of all work-related UIs by dragging them. Tworst Multiplayer Plumber Job Tutorial Menu Introduction. You can see how to do all the tasks in video and written form. Tworst Multiplayer Plumber Job. After inviting your friends, choose a region and get started. Then get in the car and drive to the area marked on the map and do the missions. To perform the pipe alignment task, go to the indicated area and align the pipes, as shown. You can see long and short straight pipes on the right side of the vehicle, and long and short elbow pipes on the left side of the vehicle. You can see that the border is green when you get the right pipe and red when you get the wrong pipe. After installing all the pipes, take a valve from the trunk and place it in the specified area. Turn the valve to the right or left to allow water to come in and hold the water in the specified area. To do the water pressure mission, go to the area and press E on the indicated water tank, and complete the mini-game. To perform the toilet bowl repair task, go to the area and press the E key. Then repair it by moving the provided pump up and downs. To perform the pipe repair task, go to the area and first go to the valve. Press the E key and close the valve. Remove the broken pipes and replace them by taking the new pipe from the car, and then go to the valve and open the valve. To do the bonus mission, go to the area and press the E key. Then switch on the unlit water switches and complete the mission. Then go back to the starting area to finish the mission. Hand over the vehicle and finish the mission. In the Finish Job user interface, you can see your scores, bonus scores, and the amount of money and XP you have received.